If you only include this single nutrient in your dinner, it will help the brain and body relax, preparing them for sleep. It acts on a pathway similar to anti-anxiety drugs, aiding in winding down and entering sleep mode. Nuts, spinach, bananas, avocados, and potatoes are among the best sources of this nutrient, which we'll cover in more detail in just a second. We'll also uncover 5 other essential nutrients you must have to get quality sleep, and later in the video we'll share some practical tips to incorporate all of these nutrients into your daily diet. We all know that we need to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep for the optimal functioning of our bodies. However, we often overlook the significance of sleep quality. The quality of our slumber is just as crucial as the duration. To enhance sleep quality, making a few lifestyle changes can make a significant difference, and a healthy diet plays a vital role in this regard. Nutrition is a crucial factor that can influence both the quality and quantity of our sleep, and making sure we get the right nutrients is important. One such nutrient is magnesium, the calming mineral. Magnesium is a powerful mineral that plays a key role in activating the parasympathetic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. It helps relax muscles, calm the mind, and reduce cortisol levels, the hormone responsible for stress. By increasing the activity of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter with calming effects, magnesium promotes relaxation and prepares the body for sleep. Studies have shown that magnesium supplementation can improve sleep quality by increasing sleep efficiency, reducing nighttime awakenings, and enhancing slow-wave sleep, which is the deepest and most restorative stage of sleep. Magnesium actually acts on a pathway similar to anti-anxiety drugs, aiding in winding down and entering sleep mode. Nuts, spinach, bananas, avocados, and potatoes are among the best sources of magnesium. Another key nutrient is tryptophan, the precursor to serotonin. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that acts as a building block for serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. After consuming tryptophan-rich foods, it enters the brain where it gets converted into serotonin. This increase in serotonin helps reduce anxiety, promotes a sense of well-being, and contributes to better sleep. Moreover, serotonin can be further converted into melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating the sleep-wake cycle. As a result, tryptophan-rich foods, such as tofu, chickpeas, and pumpkin seeds, can indirectly support the production of melatonin and help improve sleep onset and duration. Our third nutrient is vitamin B6, responsible for regulating melatonin production. Vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine, plays a crucial role in the synthesis of neurotransmitters, including serotonin and melatonin. It helps convert tryptophan into serotonin and then into melatonin, thereby regulating the body's internal clock and promoting healthy sleep-wake cycles. A deficiency in vitamin B6 may lead to sleep disturbances and insomnia. By including vitamin B6-rich foods like bananas, avocados, and quinoa in your vegan diet, you can ensure sufficient levels of this vitamin to support optimal melatonin production and improve sleep quality. An equally important nutrient for boosting sleep quality is calcium, which helps enhancing sleep onset. Calcium is well known for its role in maintaining strong bones and teeth, but it also plays a part in enhancing sleep quality. Calcium helps the brain use the amino acid tryptophan to produce melatonin. Additionally, it aids in the regulation of muscle movements during REM, rapid eye movement sleep, the stage associated with vivid dreams. Adequate calcium intake from sources such as fortified plant-based milk and leafy greens can contribute to improved sleep onset and reduce the likelihood of sleep disturbances during the night. The fifth nutrient is vitamin D, responsible for setting your circadian rhythm. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is essential for regulating the body's internal clock or circadian rhythm. Exposure to natural sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D in the skin, which, in turn, helps synchronize our sleep-wake cycles. Research has shown that individuals with low vitamin D levels are more likely to experience sleep problems. Including vitamin D-rich foods like fortified plant-based milk, mushrooms, and getting some sunlight during the day can positively impact sleep quality. Omega-3 fatty acids, the sixth nutrient on our list, are responsible for reducing sleep disturbances. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, and EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, are essential fats that play a vital role in brain health. They are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their positive effects on mood and cognitive function. Studies have indicated that omega-3 supplementation can reduce sleep disturbances and improve sleep quality, especially in individuals with sleep disorders. Incorporating vegan sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts, into your diet may contribute to better sleep and overall well-being. To maximize the benefits of these nutrients on sleep quality, consider the following practical tips for incorporating them into your vegan diet. Create a balanced meal plan that includes a variety of plant-based foods rich in magnesium, such as leafy greens, legumes, and whole grains. You can also opt for magnesium supplements if needed. Snack on tryptophan-containing foods like pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and almonds to support serotonin production throughout the day. Start your day with a vitamin B6 packed smoothie by blending bananas, avocados, spinach, and fortified plant-based milk. Prepare calcium-rich vegan dinners with ingredients like tofu, broccoli, and fortified plant-based cheese alternatives. Spend time outdoors to absorb natural sunlight and boost your vitamin D levels. Alternatively, you can consider taking a vegan-friendly vitamin D supplement if needed. Sprinkle chia seeds or ground flax seeds on your breakfast cereals or salads to ensure you're getting enough omega-3 fatty acids. For a list of the top omega-3 rich foods you can eat on a vegan diet, check out this next video.